Content silos are an effective approach in increasing your visibility and positively influencing the way in which consumers engage with your website. In this video, we show you the ways in which you can use content silos as part of your SEO strategy to effectively increase your rankings on search engine results. So what is a content silo?
The system whereby the information on a site is organized under categories and its subsequent subcategories. They help search engines to easily identify the content of a website so they understand where to place it in the results. Content silos help to improve SEO through increasing relevance of information and content. The more relevant your content is, the higher the search engines will rank you in the results. Keyword research is crucial for doing well in SEO. Using keyword research in content siloing helps you to determine how to manage your silos and how to thematically arrange your content. By analyzing the keywords that you rank in the search engine for, you can prioritize these keywords in managing your silos and increasing the relevancy of your material. Once you've identified your keywords, you can use them to create a structure of your silos. On the SEO Melbourne site, each category has its own place on the site, with subcategories available if necessary. For example, you can access subtopics such as Shopify SEO and Magento SEO that fall under the larger category of e-commerce SEO. Within these pages, you can find links that link to other pages on the SEO Melbourne site. To take advantage of this, make sure that your content silo is full of interlinked relevant content. You should organize your material to the relevant content, which helps ensure that search engine bots and site visitors alike will be able to navigate through your site much more easily. This section of the homepage all involve the word SEO, which helps to increase the relevancy of the topic at hand. Each category or silo includes content with strong thematic associations. Because each respective silo is focused, well organized, and relevant, the site has a much larger chance at ranking high in search engine results. Another way that you can use content silos as part of your SEO strategy is through the implementation of physical and virtual silos. Physical silos use the URL structures to separate and categorize content. Virtual silos, on the other hand, involves content that is interlinking between pages.
By implementing both physical and virtual silos, your site can appeal to both the search engine algorithm as well as your site's visitors. We hope you found this video helpful in improving your SEO strategy. Let us know below which tips worked best for you. For more videos like this one, head to the SEO TV YouTube channel.